Good morning, my name is Bert. I'm the authorized van Staal technician here at Whitewater Outfitters in Hampton Bays. And this morning I'm introducing the new van Staal power knob. It was in production for a couple of years and it's finally come out and we have them. So do other warranty centers. The van Staal power knobs come in a 200 series. 200, 250, 275, and the 300. Why this power knob? Leverage. And the matte finish on it is non-slip, and you have more leverage when you're getting on a big fish. So I'm going to demonstrate how to put it on. It comes all prepared with bushings, the stainless steel washer, and the bolt. That's just like that. Put a little bit of Loctite, just a dab. And the nut goes right on. Simple as that. And there's your van Staal power knob. It's awesome. They come in silver, gold, gunmetal gray, and black. I don't have the black because they're going out the door like hotcakes. And there it is. There's your van Staal power knob. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. Good leverage. And all the van Staal fishermen have been wanting a knob for the longest time, and here it is. It's awesome.